Hello guys, One Key Car Garage here. Today we're going to be we're going to be removing and replacing the fenders. As you can see, bad damage there on the 2008 Lexus ES 350. What I have here is the two replacement fenders, and we've never attempted this before. Body work in general is not something I normally try to take on, but it's a nice day and we have some time, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna remove these fenders, and eventually we're gonna have them repainted and all that good stuff. So these are my tools. Just from some initial research, realized I might need a 10 mil socket. I have my cap pullers here, and we're gonna get to it, and we will get back with you and let you know, show you the progress, and if we ran into any issues or what issues there were. I know I'm gonna have to get in there at some point, get that bolt, get bolts down there. Look like some have already been removed, and yeah, so this should be pretty interesting. I think removal of that bumper is going to also be necessary. We'll find out, but to begin with, we're gonna have to get under here, remove some of these the headlights and stuff, and the trim, and that's it. So we're gonna do this, guys. We're gonna knock this out and get back with you. So One Key Car Garage here with a 2008 Lexus ES 350. Runs like a champ. Went down to Audubon the other day, passed inspection. We got brand new brakes all around. We did the rear links, sway bar links back there, so we are all good again. And I got some of the front sway bar links, which I'm also going to replace at some point. But let's get to this, or to these fenders in the meantime, and we'll get back with you. All right, guys.